Do you need a dumpster rental in Moss Bluff, Louisiana that you can count on? DumpIt.Biz is here to make your waste management simple and hassle-free. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, clearing out a property, or managing a construction site, our dumpsters are perfect for any project size. We offer a variety of dumpster sizes to suit your specific needs, ensuring you have the right solution every time. At DumpIt.Biz, we pride ourselves on providing prompt and professional service. Our team is dedicated to delivering your dumpster on time and picking it up when you're done, allowing you to focus on what matters most. Our friendly staff is always here to help, offering expert advice and flexible scheduling options to accommodate your project timeline. We make it easy to rent a dumpster in Moss Bluff, Louisiana with transparent pricing and no hidden fees. Plus, our driveway-friendly dumpsters are designed to protect your property while handling all your waste disposal needs. Ready to get started? Visit our website at www.dumpit.biz dumpster rental Moss Bluff, LA or call 337-552-5009 to book your dumpster rental and see why we're the top choice for waste management solutions in the area. DumpIt.Biz, your trusted partner for all your dumpster rental needs.